After school, we play under the peepal tree. Langdi Tang, Poshampa, Aankh Micholi, Stappu, Unch Neech, Pittu.
Is that the names of the game?
Yes, I Spy and more. Near the tree is Raju uncle's chai shop. When it is very hot, he leaves a jug of lime juice and glasses for us.
But it's made of lemon.
Yes. So
Lemon.
this is the jug. Okay, and these are the glasses for the children. So children, after they play, they can drink some lime juice. But they don't know how to equally divide the lime juice. How much should everyone get? They don't know how to do it swata
But
swata.
this girl had a string in her pocket.
Yes. So how do we divide the lime juice equally amongst the 8 of us? Aman has a piece of string in his pocket. In fact, Aman has it. There's a boy called Aman. We cut it to the same length as the drink inside the jug. So if your bottle is filled, for example, now this is Sweya's bottle. And then if it is filled till here, then you cut the string from here to here. So that's what they did. And what else they did was, they folded the string into 2. Then we fold the string, double string 2 more times. Now we have 8 equal parts. We keep the folded string against the jug and mark equal sections on the jug. Manu and Sara lift the jug together and pour the lime juice carefully into
Who's
glasses.
Sara?
I think this girl is Sara. And now they pour and they stop whenever they reach this line. So the next glass will come. When they reach this line, they will stop again. So everyone gets equal amount of volume of lime juice.
They already drank.
Yes, and now it was delicious. But they want some more. So then Raju uncle says you can make some more. The recipe is on the board. So they look at the recipe. We have water, sugar syrup and lime juice, but we don't know how to measure these things out of 10. So this is the lime juice recipe. You have to take 1 part of 10 lemon juice, 2 parts of 10 sugar syrup and 7 part of 10 cold water. Stir well and serve.
That's so quick.
So Guria, there is one more girl called Guria. She says we have 8 sections marked.
Guria?
This girl.
Mm-hmm.
She says we have 8 sections marked when they were drinking the lime juice prepared by Lemon Chacha. Raju Chacha.
There's 3.
So then they make 3 more parts and then they say we need 2 portions of sugar syrup so that the mixture goes up to the 3rd mark, and first portion mark will be with lime juice. And Manu pours the cold water till the 10th mark. So this is lime juice, this is sugar, and this is all water. Manu pours the cold water till the 10th mark. We pour out 8 glasses of lime juice and still some is left. What will they do? They gave it to Raju uncle. We have some juice left. We pour it into a big glass for Raju uncle, and Raju uncle says shabash. Shabash.
Means good job.
Yes, says Raju uncle. This is the best lime juice I have tasted. But it will taste even better with some hot pakoras. So pakoras म्हणजे भजी, हा?
What's bhaji?
भजी खाल्ली आहेस ना तू? त्या दिवशी नाही का ऑनियन भजी आपण खात होतो. पकोराज भजी सगळं असं सेमच आहे. Hooray! Thank you, Raju uncle. And this is more about it. This activity we'll do someday. We'll make a lemon juice together. Lime juice.